Hi friends, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with a new lesson on percentages. On percentages. Your first sum reads like this. The value of a machine depreciates by 10% every year. The value of a machine depreciates by 10% every year. It was purchased 3 years ago. It was purchased 3 years ago. If its present value is 8,743, its purchased price what? 4 options are given. If a sum is given like this, you have a formula for this. The present value is equal to the present value is equal to the cost price of the machine into 1 minus R by 100 to the power of n. What is our rate of depreciation? What is our rate of depreciation? What is n number of years? Here P is here, present value is given. Here what is given? Present value is given. So whatever the values are given, let us take them. 8743 is equal to, we do not know P, so let it be P into 1 minus, what is R? 10. 10 by 100. What is N? 3 years. 1 minus 10 by 100 is equal to how much? 90 by 0, let us cut. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So P into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10, because the cube is there. So let us take this 9 by 10 to other side. So 8743 into 10 into 10 into 10 by 9 into 9 into 9. So this is divisible by 9. Let us divide. 9 9s are 81. 64. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. So this is 8. 9 7s are 63. So 63 means 1. 8 2 ja. Clear? 9 1 ja. Again it divides by 9. 1 0 8. Again this is divisible by 9. 9 1 ja. 9 12 ja. 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 into 12, 12,000. So 12,000. So the machine's cost was 12,000 when it was purchased. When it was purchased. So your C is the right option. So your C is right option. So let us do one more sum. Your next sum reads like this. The value of a plant depreciates by 10% every year. By 10% every year. If the present value of the plant is 1 lakh, then what will be the value after 2 years? The present value is given. After 2 years, if the depreciation is 10% every year, what would be the price of that value of that plant? So, present value is equal to present value is equal to P. What is your P? Cost of that plant. 1 plus 1 minus R by 100 to the power of N. So what you know P. Now it is 1 lakh rupees. You know R 10%. You know N to replace. So this is 1 lakh. One minus 1 by 10 to the power of N. N means 2. 1 by 10. Why? Because here R is 10. 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. So 1 minus 1 by 10 means what? 9 by 10. So 1 lakh into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. 2 zeros gone. 8 8 ja 91. 8 8 ja 9 9 ja 81. 9 9 ja 81. And how many zeros? 3 zeros. So after 2 years, the value of that machine will be rupees 81,000. So after 2 years, the value of that machine will be how much? 81,000. So now let us see one more sum. So this is that. The population of a town was 1,60,000. The population of a town was 1,60,000 when 3 years ago. If it is increased by 3%, 2.5% and 5% respectively in 3 years, then the present population is what? So you have a formula, present population. Present population is equal to P into here 3 different rate of increase is given. 3, 2.5 and 5. So you have to write like this. 1 increase. So plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Clear? So now let us replace all the values. What is P? 1,60,000. 1,60,000 into 1 plus R by 100. What is R1? 3. So 1 plus 3 by 100. 1 plus what is R2? 2.5. 2.5 is equal to how much? 5 by 2. 1 plus 5 by 2 into 100. 200 into 1 plus what is R3? 5. 5 by 100. Clear? So 1 plus 3 by 100. 103 by 100. 10 into 103 by 100 into 205 by 200. 205 by 200 into 105 by 100. Clear? So these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros goes. 521 ja and 520 ja. Clear? 4 4 ja, 4 5 ja. Clear? 5 1 ja and 5 41 ja. Here 2 is left. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So what is left? 2 into 103 into 41 into 21. 21 41 multiply. How much you got? 861. So 2 into 103 into 861. If you multiply these two, how much you get? 206 into 861. If you multiply, you get 1,77,366. If you multiply, how much you get? 1,77,366. So after 3 years, the population will be 1,77,366. So your B is the right option. I think you understood today's problems. So tomorrow again I come up with some new problems. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and thank you for watching my video.